Hello, I'm Will and welcome to our new video. Trains have been an important mode of transportation for over 2 centuries and have played a significant role in the development of our modern world. In this video, we'll be sharing with you 10 fascinating facts about trains that you probably never heard before. Let's get started. Fact number 1. The first steam-powered train. The first steam-powered train was invented in 1804 in England and revolutionized transportation by making it faster and more efficient. Fact number 2. The fastest steam locomotive. The fastest steam locomotive in history was the Mallard, which reached speeds of 126 miles per hour or 202 kilometers per hour in 1938. Fact number 3. The first electric train. The first electric train was introduced in 1879 and was powered by overhead wires that supplied the train with electricity. Fact number 4. Trains in wars. Trains have been used in wars and military operations throughout history, including transporting troops and supplies to the front lines. Fact number 5. Trans-Siberian Railway. The Trans-Siberian Railway is the longest railway line in the world, stretching over 5,592 miles or 9,000 kilometers from Moscow to Vladivostok. Fact number 6. Eco-friendly. Trains are an eco-friendly mode of transportation, emitting fewer greenhouse gases per passenger mile than cars or planes. Fact number 7. Safety. Train travel is one of the safest forms of transportation, with a lower rate of accidents and fatalities compared to cars. Fact number 8. City development. Trains have played a significant role in the development of cities and allow people to travel greater distances for work and leisure. Fact number 9. Luxury trains. Some of the world's most luxurious trains, such as the Orient Express, offer passengers a unique and memorable travel experience. Fact number 10. Trains in films. Trains have been featured in many popular films and books, including The Polar Express, Harry Potter, and Agatha Christie's Murder on the Orient Express. And those were 10 fascinating facts about trains that you probably never heard before. We hope you learned something new today and will look at trains in a whole new light. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and educational videos.